Hi guys, welcome back. So today we are going to make Rolex, the Ugandan Rolex, not the watch. We are going to make it. I'm going to show you how to make it like three different ways. There are very many ways you can, play with your food and enjoy it. But yes, I bring for you my top three favorite. Now, some of the videos I worked on them some time back, but they are still very good. These are my top three best Rolex recipes. Now you can share what you want, the Rolex you want me to try out, because there's still so much that we can do with this. But for now, just enjoy these ones. Please comment. Let's interact in the comment section, and you tell me what you think missed in these videos, what you think wasn't really necessary, and yeah, let's talk. Let's engage more. Thank you so much. Please watch and enjoy. I'm not going to do a voiceover for these ones. You watch and enjoy them. God bless you. Ciao. It's Lily's. It's African Foods with Lily. Ciao.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. I wanna hear about everything you're ever thinking. You know that I can take the truth. Call me out if you think I'm never slipping. Maybe I can turn it around. Oh yeah. Baby, if you want us, you know time is on our side. Things are gonna haunt us, we'll just have to put aside. And I'm right here if you just need to cry. Come love, share my pillow, and rain, rain, go away. Been some time since you fixed me. I'll never forget your time. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I need it, you'll always believe my eyes. I know if I
Now I'm going to use my leftover meat. I'm going to use goat meat. You can use your beef, you can use your chicken. Yes, so this is recipe. So I have my goat meat there. It was a stew, as you can see. Now you're going to shred this into, you're going to shred your meat into smaller, pieces. As you can see, this was so yummy. Check it out on my previous video. Yes, it's a goat meat stew video. So yeah, I'm going to use 3 eggs. I have some onions there, I have some green pepper, and I have some tomatoes. I used 3 eggs in there. Break that into there and add in your onions, tomatoes, and green peppers, and anything else that you desire, really. Now you cook this on medium heat. Let your egg get ready properly, and then now you add on your chapati. Yes, you can also check out my chapati videos. So yeah, do that. You make your Rolex nicely there. Yes, put it aside. Put this aside, and then you start adding on you add on your beef, some more cabbage right there, some nyanya mbisi. Yes, you add in some tomatoes there, and a bit of onions, a bit of salt also. Now you wrap this, guys. This is so fast and so easy. It's too yummy. This is going to take like 5 to 10 minutes, I'm telling you.